Yaga people, let me introduce you to the plasterboard companion, the clippies. Now this is a little contraption you put on the side of the board. It's going to help you inexperienced plasterers, newbies, guys that are working in a small confined area. The area I'm working in today is very small. I can't show you the whole room because the room's so small. I've got my boards. This is the perfect time to use my clippies. Check this out.
These squeeze and clip onto the side of your plasterboard. So you imagine that goes on the end of your plasterboard there, and that one goes on the other end down there. When your boards are stood up, leaned up against the wall, you know, you clip one on each end, and then I've got a massive flipping rule that's about, I don't know how big it was. How big would you say that was, Danny? Danny Arbuckle. How big was that rule when that fella brought that round?
Clippies. These basically clip onto your sheet material that you're using. Once they're clipped on, you can then put this part, the straighties, between the two, and it leaves you hands free to do the cut, the snap, and hold it all together.